My video guide is dedicated to help you remove the fake and scary pop-ups that come from the site Installquickheavilytheproduct.vip. It's a deceptive site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. This website attempts to deceive people and to trick them into actually downloading and installing some potentially unwanted applications. Installquickheavilytheproduct.vip website tells its visitors that their PC is supposedly infected with 5 viruses. Then the pop-up says that people need to click on Delete Viruses button, but when they do that by mistake, the browser is actually hijacked and people may be redirected to some other questionable websites of a bad reputation. Because of that, the entire computer may be infected with adware, with browser hijackers, and some other potentially unwanted programs. So be careful, don't ever interact with these deceptive pop-ups by installquickheavilytheproduct.vip. This is a deceptive site you should not trust. I recommend you to research your computer and its safety with the help of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get its fresh version on this official website, combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and begin carefully researching and investigating your system to detect and delete all other threats. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.